Hello viewers, here is a Lasko breeze machine fan, and I thought this was an older model when I first got it, but inherently it's not because it has the newer used plug. I think they've been using these for like 10 or 15 years now, so it's got to be within that time period. It's missing one of the things to hold it to the stand, but I guess as long as the other one is there, it should be okay. It still has the older Lasko logo, and it's only a 2-speed model. I believe that the blade and motor in this is comparable, if not identical to, well, I guess it wouldn't be quite identical to, because they won't have the oscillating mechanism on the rear, but I think it's pretty much the same as the Lasko 2009 oscillating fan. I've never used the newer version of this, but I don't think it's all that much different. It's fairly lightweight, pretty cheap feeling, you know, it's flimsy and a little creaky. I think the model number is 3353 perhaps. It's kind of faded. And here's the other informations. 0.65 amps. It's a straight hit pole motor, so it's very inefficient. And the handle is too thin. I mean, you can barely fit fingers into it. I guess these are intended for people with small hands. Okay, well, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see how it works. Starts on 2, so we'll start with 2. I think that would be high. And these had some kind of aerodynamic issues to them, as might have been heard on the camera. It's making a weird kind of like restricted sound when it first started up, and then after it was at full speed for a second or two, it started operating normally. So these definitely were not designed quite right. The guards, of course, is thick plastic, very restrictive. You know, all the solid plastic out here is not letting much air move through. So it's not made quite right, but for what it's worth, it's very quiet. It's not very powerful. But, I mean, it's I can feel the air moving across the room here, it's just not moving much. I wouldn't call this a breeze, I would call this more like a draft. And that was high, so this is low, which is remarkably quiet. I can still feel the air moving across the room, but it's very, very faint. It's a slight draft at best. I mean, it feels like there's a good amount of air coming out when you're close to it, but it doesn't seem to travel too far. Pretty well balanced. I've noticed that the Lasko 2009 is also very quiet, so it probably is the same blade. It certainly looks the same. Yeah, it's a surprisingly good balance. It's kind of unusual for these cheaper fans. And the spin down is pretty short, and bearings need to be cleaned and lubricated. I think it's got some hours on there, but not too much use. That's interesting. That's not bad. I mean, it's very quiet. I like quiet fans, so I could think of some uses for this. I wonder if the ones they still make are just as good.